will show you guys later how it looks like. And actually, probably you can see one of my video. I will leave the link below so you can see my spring video of the BLUFF. Guys, after here we also go up there in the Soldiers Memorial Park. So right now, guys, I will show you the beauty and the park of the REDWING, which is you can see all the town. Okay, guys, let's go. So guys, this is the town of REDWING, guys. I don't know if you can hear my voice. It's really windy up here, guys, so I'm sorry if my voice is not that you can hear it. So by the way, guys, this is how it looked like up here in the BLUFF. And remember, guys, it's located in REDWING. So this is very nice, guys. And also we can see the bridge that connected to Minnesota to Wisconsin. So last time when we come up here, guys, it was closed, and now we will check if it's this stairs goes all the way down. Okay, let's go, guys. See the bridge, guys, that I'm talking about earlier. It's connect from here in Minnesota to Wisconsin. Actually, guys, they're on top. You can see the nice views, but there are some peoples. So that's why we came down here, because I'm a bit shy to take a video, guys. So last time, guys, we didn't come down here because it was closed. But right now, as you can see, they have this rope, so you can hold on to it because it's really dangerous to you fall down there. You're gonna die. So look at, guys, see, when you fall down here, you're gonna die. So when you bring your kids here, guys, you should guard them because it's really dangerous for the kids. So good thing they have this rope too.
I didn't use this. I never used 3 ropes.
Yeah. Oh, before, guys, they said that they never used to have a rope, this rope over here. So what's in here before?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing?
Yeah.
So it's dangerous. So where is this one come from?
It comes out the other way.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yes. But anyways, guys, it's really pretty above here. Look at, oh my god, I'm gonna get crazy here. Look at the fall colors, guys. You won't regret when you come over here. But reminders, guys, be careful because sometimes it's gonna get slippery. So this is the trail that go to the other side.
Quarry.
So the one that we take last time, it was different.
Used to dead ends. Well, the trail wasn't officially closed, but yeah, I would go to here, then they'd have a fence and it was closed.
Oh, okay. Guys, so we are here walking the dangerous trails. So guys, if you bring your kids here, you should guard them. Because look at, guys, I will show you the cliff. It's really, how do you call that, honey?
Steep.
Steepy.
Steep.
Okay, Steve. Okay, I will show you guys there. And then if you fall down, you will go right through the water and you'll be dead. So yeah, so when you climb here, Just be careful, guys. Anyways, I hike up here, guys, last spring, so you can see my video as what I said earlier. So you can see my spring videos when we hike up here in the BLUFF in REDWING, guys. Oh my god, it's really pretty. Look at, guys. You like to hike here?
This is one of my favorite trails, but I didn't do it because it was closed.
Oh, it is?
It gave me an adrenaline rush hiking it.
Oh yeah, I like it here.
It's actually not that bad.
Yeah.
It's similar to the Hosinger trails. The Hosinger trails are just the same, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's the same like this.
It's just this is by a more populated area, so more people have taken these trails and gotten
Killed? Yeah.
You just have to use your common sense.
Oh yeah, really?
Be careful. I really wouldn't bring anyone probably younger than 6 or 7. Even then, Chelsea, I don't know if I would bring her. I mean,
I don't know either, because I was also last time when we hiked there in Holzingers.
yeah,
I was afraid for her.
that's the sewage plant for Redwing.
Oh, that's a
The sewage treatment plant.
sewage treatment plant?
Yep.
So guys, right there, that's a sewage treatment plant, guys, in REDWING. We have like that here too in Winona. It's by the lake Winona. Oh, look at there, guys.
Look at all the leaves falling.
Yeah,
It smells really nice.
it is. Of course, because it's fall now, you know. Yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, I kind of like it. Can you take me more picture, honey, like this? Honey? Over here, guys, they have also a stopover. So if you bring some foods, probably not, because you have a long ways to walk. If you wanna do picnic, they have also table here, guys, to put your stuff and enjoy your picnics. And it's nice over here, guys. Right now, guys, we are at the bottom of the other side of the bluff. I'm a bit disappointed, guys. I thought I can show you the view on top, but it's okay. I show you how beautiful here on the bottom anyway. Okay, guys, so right now we are here in the Soldiers Memorial Park. So that's the one that we hiked up there early, guys. But that part of the BLUFF, guys, I didn't show you because we should take the trail beyond that bluff because it's really nice up there, guys. So guys, earlier that's the bluff that we hike up there, and I will gonna show you the bridge that connected to the Minnesota and Wisconsin. So that's the bluff, guys, that we hiked up earlier. So we've been up there. This is the bridge that I'm talking about earlier. So on the other side, that's a Wisconsin state.